Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at NAGA. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. NAGA is a popular social trading platform that can be used to trade more than 1,000 instruments, including stocks from leading companies such as Spotify, Netflix, Tesla, and Amazon. This company is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, and they have more than 1 million users from around the world. The NAGA platform is beginner-friendly, and we recommend trading with them if you are interested in copy trading, or if you're looking for a low-cost broker that offers tight spreads and a good selection of educational resources. NAGA offers a user-friendly website, and you can easily find any information you need about the platforms and instruments they offer, the company's history, and their trading conditions by simply choosing an option directly from the menu bar. The homepage highlights key features of their accounts, and trending stocks are listed on this page. As you scroll down, you will see more information about copy trading with NAGA, and the supported payment methods can be found further down the homepage. You can also find listed menus at the very bottom of the homepage that you can use to navigate directly to different sections of the website. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with NAGA, hover your cursor over the Investing tab and choose an instrument from the Markets list. NAGA currently offers more than 40 tradable currency pairs, along with a variety of stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, futures, and ETFs. They offer tight spreads on Forex pairs, and you can enjoy commission-free trading on the standard account. The NAGA customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and they can be reached via email, live chat, or telephonically. You can find their contact details under the Company tab, and the direct numbers to their international offices are provided on the website. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if your questions may have already been answered, and the Help Center can be used to easily find solutions to some of the most common queries. What makes the NAGA accounts unique is that instead of offering many different accounts, the VIP levels reward system gives you different perks depending on how much you deposit. There are 6 VIP levels, and they include Iron, Bronze, Silver, Gold, Diamond, and Crystal. All the VIP levels come with ebooks and trading alerts. But if you deposit more than $25,000, then you will have access to premium ebooks and exclusive trading contests. Making a larger deposit will also mean that you pay less on withdrawal fees, and if you make a deposit of at least $100,000, no withdrawal fees will be charged at all, but the withdrawal fees are not more than $5. You will also receive daily trading signals, and the number of trading signals you receive will depend on the amount you deposit. For example, if you deposit $250 to $2,500, you will receive 5 signals. If you deposit $5,000, you will receive 10 signals, 15 signals for $25,000, and so on. If you are an experienced trader, and you've developed some successful strategies, we recommend opening a copy trading account with NAGA because they offer a very rewarding program with great earning potential if your trades are copied by other traders. NAGA's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and they can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, one-click and algorithmic trading, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and so much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Once you have created an account, you can easily join the social trading program and follow the strategies of your favorite traders. This is a great option for beginners and traders with a busy lifestyle, because you can reap the benefits of a real account without the risks of losing opportunities or making uninformed decisions. If you are interested in using the auto copy feature, you will need to trade on the NAGA platform, as this feature is not available on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. The NAGA web trader has a built-in messenger, a newsfeed, an advanced radar, and leaderboard. But all the platforms can be used for copy trading and come with a wide range of built-in widgets that you can use to refine your trading strategies and manage your risks. An updated economic calendar is also provided to help you keep track of major economic events and market news, and there are several calculators that you can use to calculate currency conversions, swaps, pips, and margin. NAGA offers 2 types of live trading accounts, and they also give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. Both trading accounts can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, and all the NAGA applications, and there are plenty of perks on offer with the NAGA VIP reward system. The first type of account you can open is the commission-free standard account, and this is a no-deposit account that offers spreads starting from 1 pip. It is a beginner-friendly account that is suitable for all levels of experience and styles of trading. If you are a more experienced trader, then we would recommend opening a professional account, which offers tighter spreads, low commission fees, and a higher leverage limit of 1 to 1,000. If it is your very first time trading and you are not ready to make any financial commitments just yet, then you can also open a demo account, which will allow you to trade in a risk-free environment using virtual currency. This is a safe way to learn the basics of trading and get a feel for what it's like to trade in real markets. Muslim clients have the option of converting their accounts to Islamic swap-free accounts. When using this account, no interest or rollover fees will be charged when positions are held open overnight. Creating an account with NAGA may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward. Firstly, launch the NAGA homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log in to the client portal. Within the NAGA client portal, you have access to a feed. You can check on trading leaderboards, view their upcoming webinars, manage your trades, create demo accounts, view the educational NAGA Academy, and much more. After your account is set up and approved, the next step would be to simply download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Simply download and install your preferred platform, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with NAGA. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a variety of educational content online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started. NAGA also offers a wide variety of educational resources, which we recommend checking out, especially if you are new to trading. The VIP reward system offers exclusive ebooks, but free trading guides and videos are also available. You can visit the NAGA Academy to learn all about the basics of forex trading and trading strategies. There are also plenty of insightful articles provided to help you along the way. NAGA also includes interactive tutorials that will teach you how to open and close trades, how to set up price alerts, how to make deposits and withdrawals, and everything else you would need to know about trading and using the NAGA tools and platforms. NAGA also provides a news and analysis section, where you can stay up to date with the latest trading news. They also provide a currency encyclopedia, and you can check up on their upcoming and past webinars over on the Academy section within the NAGA client zone. Overall, NAGA is one of our top-rated, low-cost, beginner-friendly brokers, and we highly recommend trading with them if you are interested in copy trading and social trading. They offer competitive spreads with plenty of high-quality educational resources to help you learn the basics of trading if you are new to the scene. And if you have been trading for a while, then you can earn some extra cash with the NAGA copy trading program. If you are interested, be sure to open your NAGA account today to get a head start on your trading career with one of the best social trading platforms on the market. And that is our overview of NAGA. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.